Hi, Handy Hint Friday. This will be a quick one because this just makes common sense. When storing luggage, if you've got a lot of luggage pieces because you travel a lot, or you've got all of the family's luggage in one spot, please store them, the smaller one inside of the larger one, and so forth. It's just like one of those Babushka dolls, you know, the larger one, then the smaller one gets into the bigger one, and so on and so on and so on, because it will actually minimize the clutter, and it will also give you more space to kind of like store some other things. It's amazing how many times I go into people's storage and or go into their homes and they've got one room and all of the luggage is just thrown around the room or trying to line it up against the wall. That's kind of silly. Handy hint, if you've got something that can store things, even bed linen or tablecloths or things that you don't really use a lot, use luggages that are empty to store things in your house until you are in a position to use them. Okay, it's just that simple. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Mwah.